Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are one-on-one with conversation with the legendary Sivanandan sir, my own co-author of the book Chanakya 7 Secrets of Leadership. Sir, coming to the next question, it's very interesting to see two dimensions of you. One is, making Mumbai a safe city using the tough methods of policing. At the other side of it, you also made policing a very homely place, building gymnasiums for them, doing health checkups, also policemen and their family problems, looking at housing, schooling, lots of things that have been written in the book. So would you like to throw some aspect about the tough part of policing and the policing as a human being and the revolution that you did?
Rather, actually very, very selfish thing to do, to build the schools for them, hospitals for them, stadiums, training center, restaurants, 25 gymnasiums for crores of rupees and all that. My school in Thane is worth 20 crores now, 70,000 square feet, 3,000 children studying there. This year's result is 100%, 87 children got completely distinction and first class. Wow. And a police child, Mihir Shinde, took 94% and then stood first in the school. So all this is being done with a selfish motive, I want to confess, because in the policing, the kind of difficult job they are doing, and 95% of the policing is done by the policemen who are constables, havaldars and ASIs and others. Sure. We come at the apex level as IPS officers and I can't be doing all the street job which they are doing.
Sure.
Now, if they have to do the best and give the best to the people, and the society is all the time interacting with the cutting edge level police officers who are not me.
Right.
I sit at the apex and I am sitting on top of the hill and very few people can come. Now, how do we make them work? All the time people say they are corrupt and they are inefficient and they are arrogant. How do you bring the best in them? Subsidize their salaries by giving them the best possible education, subsidize their salary by giving them the best possible health care, a restaurant, a provision store, an ATM and various other facilities which makes their life and their family lives much better than the pittance of a salary which the government gives them.
Sure.
Now, going to the government saying that each one should get 5,000 rupees more is an impossible task. Yeah. So, whereas if as a leader I become a servant of my people, I become a servant leader, give them an education which is worth 2,000-3,000 rupees. Now again, giving simple education and subsidizing is not the main thing. Main thing is the game changer is that these children who study in affordable schools or much better schools like the one I built will become engineers, doctors, IAS, IPS officers. This is my dream. Now earlier, because of lack of capitation fees, they were not having access to good schools, and because the good schools were not there, their scoring capacity was much less. Now if a police havaldar son is getting 94% in 10th standard, he gets his 11th standard admission free and he can become an engineer or a doctor or an IAS officer. So I am trying to change that change their orbit, like a police constable son becoming a policeman again. 40 years of living in a police chawl and again another 40 years in the same chawl is something pathetic, unthinkable kind of a vicious cycle which I wanted to break. So by giving them the education, by giving them the gymnasium, by giving them the health and various other things, I am improving the quality of their life and their approach to life. Thus, I expect them to go and give it to the society the best part of their character. So when you go to the police, a satisfied policeman whose children are studying well, whose health is taken care, who lives in a nice house, would treat a common man more appropriately, more with a smile. He might offer a glass of water or a cup of tea depending upon the circumstance. Thus, the image of the police improves. That is where my selfishness comes. So if you want to improve the police image, you look after the police. I can't be doing all NCs and registration of cases, investigation of rape matters, whereas they are doing it. Equip them, enable them, empower them, look after them, and they put the best foot forward. Police image changes. It is selfish.
Selfish with a selfless cause. We'll take up another question next week.